100 days of code, day 5. I built out the very beginning of an e-commerce platform. I did it using React and a little bit of Tailwind. There's not much to it. I do have all the hard work done. So what I want you guys to do is contribute. Add as many features as you'd like, and let's build something super awesome together. In just a bit, I'm gonna show you how I built it. I will speed through this part, but feel free to slow me down if you wanna see the exact code that I write. But this is mostly so that you can kind of see how I started from the beginning and got to where I did and got it to its current state. Like I said, it's very basic. You can add as many features as you'd like. The whole point of this series is so that you guys can contribute to all my projects and learn a little bit along the way. Speaking of, if you're unsure how to contribute to a project, take a look at the description down below for a video for pull requests for beginners that's perfect for understanding exactly how to contribute to a project. Here's the replay. So yeah, that's it. Like I said, it's not much. I want you guys to help me build out the rest of this. I think this is great. I got pretty much the majority of the basic groundwork ready. So I really hope to see some cool stuff, and I will be merging in all the PRs that don't break the code base. Let's see what you guys can do.